Let's get the weather now from Kirsteen.
Thank you very much, Sally. Good evening to you. It's been a fairly cloudy day for many of us. We did see some sunshine though breaking through the clouds at times, especially in the south and west. A fine example of this from one of our weather watchers in Tiree. Now this evening and tonight we'll hold on to a good deal of cloud. Some patchy light rain also continuing to affect eastern and northeastern coastal areas towards the Northern Isles too. And mist and low cloud will become fairly extensive in the northeast, perhaps filtering in towards the central belt at times too. Certainly the clearest skies will once again be along the west coast, where a touch of frost may develop, although typically temperatures will hold up around 3 to 5 Celsius with a breeze from the east or the northeast. So into tomorrow, and we dawn with a lot of cloud, patchy mist and fog, and also some light outbreaks of rain across the east coast, really plaguing these parts as we go through the course of the day. Otherwise, a lot of dry weather though, with some spells of sunshine. So a closer look around 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Predominantly dry across the Northern Isles, albeit with a fair amount of cloud. Patchy light rain continuing to affect the coasts of Aberdeenshire in towards Angus, Fife, the Lothians and around the Edinburgh area. For southern, central and western Scotland though, it'll be dry and the cloud will thin and break at times. I think the lion's share of the sunshine again though will be along the west coast towards the Western Isles. Highs of around 8 or 9 Celsius, add on an eastern northeasterly breeze, and once again it'll feel fairly chilly. So if you're hill walking and climbing tomorrow, the very best of the sunshine will be across the northwest towards the Galloway Hills. Some outbreaks of rain across the Cairngorms and the Angus Hills, and across the tops that will fall as sleet or wet snow. Temperature-wise, hovering around freezing, if not a degree or two either side, and winds from the east or northwest around 20 to 35 miles per hour. And if you're heading to Murrayfield tomorrow for the rugby, it's going to be rather cloudy, perhaps some patchy outbreaks of rain, highs of 8 Celsius with a breeze from the east or northeast. Tomorrow evening we'll hold on to a good deal of cloud across the east, filtering its way westwards, and some patchy rain in the east. And then for Sunday and the next few days, predominantly dry, a cool easterly breeze and a lot of cloud. That's the forecast.